Intro. 1. Start with, is your phone slowing down and taking forever to load apps? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple ways to make your phone faster. Let's get started. 2. Step 1. Clear unnecessary apps. 1. Show a mobile screen and say, first, uninstall apps you don't use. Go to Settings greater than Apps greater than select an app greater than uninstall. This frees up space and reduces background processes. 3. Step 2. Clear cache data. 1. Demonstrate clearing cache for apps. Cache data can clog your phone over time. Go to Settings, then Storage greater than cache data, and clear it for a quick boost. 4. Step 3. Restart your phone. 1. Show a power button being held. Restarting your phone clears temporary files and refreshes the system, making it run smoother. 5. Step 4. Update your system and apps. 1. Record navigating to update settings. Outdated software can slow your phone down. Go to Settings greater than Software Update and update your apps in the App Store or Play Store. 6. Step 5. Turn off background features. 1. Highlight disabling animations, Bluetooth, and background apps. Turn off features like Bluetooth, location, and unnecessary background app refresh. You can also reduce animations in developer settings for a faster experience. 7. Step 6. Free up storage. 1. Show deleting old photos, videos, and files. Make space by moving large files to cloud storage or an external drive. Keep at least 15 to 20% of your storage free. 8. Step 7. Factory reset, optional. 1. Provide a warning. If nothing works, try a factory reset. Back up your data first, then go to Settings greater than System greater than Reset greater than Factory data reset. 9. Outro. 1. Wrap up with, and that's it. Follow these steps, and your phone will be running like new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Add an outro screen with your logo or call to action.